Let's make summer rolls today. Here's a quick and easy recipe for summer rolls made with just a few ingredients from your favorite Asian market. Summer rolls are the unfried spring rolls that are made with these wrappers. They are either dried tapioca or dried rice flour made on bamboo mats, and they're rehydrated quickly in a tub of water. And we happen to have these mats that are really handy, and we're going to put them on these mats. And the mats have holes so the wrappers are able to rehydrate while they're still on the mat. And we're going to let that rehydrate. And the other ingredients we have today are sesame seeds. We have an herb, either basil or mint. We're going to use mint today. These are garlic chives. They are the flower part of a garlic plant. We have some cilantro sprouts, or you can use cilantro leaves. We have some rice noodles that have been soaked overnight, and then they've been plunged in boiling water, brought out, and run under cold water. That's just so we get the right springy texture for these noodles. It's kind of an angel hair thinness. And then we have some shaved carrots. And we're gonna make shrimp summer rolls today. So I've got some shrimp that have been cooked and cooled. And then we have some peanuts. These are fried shallots. We're gonna put these in. Even though these summer rolls are unfried, this is the one part that's fried in there. These are fried shallots in a jar. If you don't have these, you can use some fried onions that you can get at your regular grocery store. So our shrimp, they have been cooked, but we're gonna cut them in half. The flat way. So this one shrimp becomes two pieces, just like that. Okay? So you want your shrimp to be thin so that we can roll them on the outside of the roll. Now these have had a couple of seconds to rehydrate. We're gonna add on our sesame seed. That's gonna look beautiful because these are a little translucent and you'll see what's inside. Then we put in some of our mint leaves. I'm gonna leave the stem out because you don't want to bite into that woody stem. All right, then a little bit of carrot. The carrot adds a nice crunch, and you can use pickled carrots if you want to go to that trouble. First, we're gonna put a little bit of our noodles, our rehydrated noodles, the cilantro sprouts. You'll roll them just like a burrito, and you want to roll away from you. So we're gonna push forward, give it a half roll, and then when we're halfway, we're going to tuck this over. I'm gonna lay my shrimp in. Shrimp and the garlic chives are gonna go on the last layer of the roll so that they'll show through. And then finish this roll. And there we have our first summer roll. Here's our second one. We're gonna give this a couple of rolls. Fold in the sides when you get halfway. Add your shrimp. Or if you're using pork, you can put pork in at that time. Put my garlic chive here. And there is our summer rolls. So let's plate this up. And we're going to cross them just like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of the fried shallots, a little bit of peanuts, and we're going to serve it with our favorite peanut sauce, and that is our summer rolls. You'll find these summer rolls throughout Southeast Asia, in Vietnam, in Cambodia, and in Thailand. The difference between them is minimal. The sauce is really what the difference is. In Thailand, often you'll find a peanut sauce with coconut milk, and in Vietnam, you'll find one made with hoisin sauce. And that's how you make summer rolls from a few ingredients in the Asian aisle of your favorite market.